My name is M. Tirupati. My roll number 17951A0398. My topic is classification of robot actuators. Today I am going to explain about classification of robot actuators. What is meant by actuator? Actuator is an electromechanical device which converts energy into mechanical work. There are several types of actuators used in robots. In this section, we classify the various actuators available based on the type of energy source used. Actuator is a device which will convert electromechanical energy into a mechanical work. Types of robot actuators are there are four types of robot actuators: pneumatic actuator, hydraulic actuator, piezoelectric actuator, ultrasonic piezoelectric actuators. I would like to explain these four types of actuators mainly. Pneumatic actuator. In this mechanism, the force is dragged from outside and released to the piston in a suction format. These actuators use the principle of pneumatics, where pressurized air or gas to create motion. Compressed air or pressurized gas is filled into the cylinder and converted to expand to reach atmospheric pressure. This expansion is forced any other mechanical device which makes an attached object move. Depending upon the design, it can either create rotational motion or linear motion. Moist compressed air and pumps use this principle due to simplest design. Image shows single acting cylinder where a spring pushes the piston back to position. In a double acting cylinder, another valve on another end of cylinder pushes the piston back to position. Now let us discuss about hydraulic actuator. In this, the water is sucked from the tank and released to another way. According to the basic Pascal, when there is an increase in pressure at any point and confirmed it to understand how electron. Let us make an example of two cylinder connected to large as shown in figure. Now let us discuss about piezoelectric actuator. The actuator uses piezoelectric effect to create motion. For those who are not aware, piezoelectric or effect is ultrasonic piezoelectric actuator, similar to piezoelectric as discussed earlier. Ultrasonic piezoelectric actuator works on the principle of traveling wave exists a static surface material. Thank you.